Okay, I am going to go over test 1. So click on test 1, which is due on the 4th. And then, then click attempt quiz now. Hit start attempt. It tells you you've got 1 attempt and 3 hours in which to complete it. So this says, un día de mi vida en la universidad. Discover what this teacher does during a typical day by filling in the blanks with the logical word from the word bank. Be sure to use each word only once. They're already in the form they need to be used, so just write the word from the word bank into the blanks below. Here, can you remember how all of the stem changing verbs change? Complete each of the following sentences with the correct form of the logical verb. So you've got 2 verb choices for each sentence. Take the one that best completes the sentence and then change the spelling to reflect who it is that is either losing or understanding or serving, etc. And remember, these are stem changing verbs, so there'll be some sort of spelling change in this stem if your subject is anything other than nosotros and vosotros. Here, no es un muchacho típico. You are going to read about Ignacio Maldonado, and then you are going to, this one's a little tricky, you're going to read each of the statements and pick the one that is not correct. And you would write that in the blank, like you'd write A, B, C, etc. Las relaciones familiares, your study group is reviewing for an exam and one member has come up with some great sentences to review the family vocabulary. So just write the familial relationship in the blank there. El hijo de mi tía es mi, who is that? And just write the name. Okay, so there's a few of those. La familia de Catalina. A new student, Catalina, has just moved into the residence hall. Listen to this description of her and her family and decide whether each statement is cierto or falso. I'm going to go back through and put A, B, C in front of these. So after you've listened to this audio, if it says that la familia de Catalina es grande, if you think it's grande, you will write an A. Los padres de Catalina están divorciados. If that's not mentioned, you would write a C. So I'll go back and put an A, B, C in front of each of those. And that is everything that you have to do for this test. So when you're done, just hit finish attempt and it will come to me.